It is a growing question for those receiving the COVID-19 vaccine. Can I still contract COVID-19? One state health leader says while trials showed the vaccine to be 95% effective, the numbers are actually coming back even better. NBC4's Matthew Herchick explaining how likely it is for vaccinated individuals to get infected.
Frontline workers in the state were the first to receive the vaccine, while many people had to wait months to have their opportunity to get this shot. And while health officials told me they are finding cases of some of those individuals still getting sick, they say the numbers are much smaller than you would think.
Your odds of getting sick after getting the vaccine are incredibly low. They're lower than your odds of getting struck by lightning.
More than 3 million Ohioans are already fully vaccinated against COVID-19, with another nearly 1.3 million having received their first dose. So I spoke with the state's chief medical officer, Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff, about how concerned they should be about still contracting COVID-19.
Well, it's incredibly rare. When I look at the numbers, both nationally and here in Ohio, they're far better than I would have predicted.
So far, Ohio has recorded over 150 cases of COVID-19 in the vaccinated population, including 14 hospitalizations and 0 deaths. But how could the evolving virus impact these numbers?
It's done extremely well, and not just against the main variant we're facing, but also the variant that originally appeared in South Africa.
You know, most of my stuff was nasal congestion, a little bit of sore throat. No fever.
Anthony Smith is an emergency medicine physician. He tested positive for the virus in March after receiving full vaccination in January.
I initially was like, no, I'm not sick. This isn't right.
Smith, unlucky, but fortunate to have been vaccinated before his exposure.
I thought to myself, man, if I got these symptoms and I was vaccinated, what could have happened if I wasn't vaccinated?
The message echoed by health experts statewide, urging Ohioans to roll up their sleeves.
They're our path out of this thing. So we're lucky to have these vaccines. Go out and get one.
Now, there are still some unknowns as it relates to vaccinated individuals who contract COVID-19. Dr. Vanderhoff says we don't know if there is anything to link those that have been vaccinated and still gotten sick. He also says there could be uncertainty in terms of the number of cases because of people with mild or unrecognized symptoms. However, he says those hospitalizations and death numbers are accurate, and they go to show that the vaccine is working. Local for you, Matthew Herchick, NBC4.